Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and let's jump into today's project. When I was looking for inspo for another challenge, I found this beautiful shelf and I just thought, useful DIY challenge, here we go, so let's make it. And this is what we will need. First, I have my paintbrush, some nails I got at Walmart, antique wax, wood glue. You can use anything, any wood glue. And we're gonna use those two eye hooks. Yes, now I know the name. 2 pieces of 1 by 2 of 24 inches and 3 pieces of 1 by 6 of 22 inches. And also we're gonna use some rope. Now, let's jump into it. We're gonna take our antique wax and our paintbrush and we're gonna take some water and we're gonna wet our brush. And then I'm gonna put some of that antique wax on a paper plate. It's a foam plate actually. Yeah, it's not paper. And I'm gonna wet my brush and also dip it in my paint or antique wax. Paint my surface like that completely. And after we paint it completely, we're gonna come back with a paper towel and we're gonna wipe it off. Not completely, but just wipe off the excess. And as you can see, I continue painting it until I cover it completely. Just like that. And now I'm gonna take the sides. We're giving it a little bit of time so that paint sinks into our wood. And now I'm taking my paper towel and as you can see, I'm just wiping off the excess. And that gives us that beautiful color and we can see the wood grain. And I'm gonna do the same for all the sides. Now I'm taking my 1 by 2 and I'm doing the exact same thing. I bought this one really cheap because they said it was damaged, but I love that damaged part. That will make a beautiful side for my shelf. So now I'm painting it and now I'm going back with my paper towel and look at that beautiful side piece. I just love it. It looks perfect. Now I'm gonna repeat the process with another shelf so you can see it all over again and enjoy the painting process. I just love to watch people paint things. I don't know. I don't know if you're like me. You will love this. And now I'm gonna let them dry completely. It takes like 2 hours for them to dry completely. And now I'm gonna unscrew that. What I do always, it's when my wood is a little bit wet, I get a screw where I wanna add my eye hooks because I don't have a drill. And then when it's dry, I just unscrew that and get my eye hook on that hole. Just like that. It's pretty simple and it works, believe me. And now we're gonna assemble our shelf. And for that, I just place my pieces, my shelf pieces 1 by 6, and I'm just gonna glue the side pieces to my shelf. And I'm having issues with my glue because it's dry. I forgot to close it and now it's dry. Now I'm cleaning the tip of my glue. And now I'm adding that glue that I need. And now I'm gonna glue it and I'm gonna repeat on this other side and then I'm gonna come back with those nails that you see there and I'm gonna nail 3 of those to the sides. Look, this is what I did. I added 3 nails to each one of my shelves. That's how it's looking. And now we're gonna move on and it's sturdy. You can see that it's really sturdy. We're gonna move on to the top and we're gonna add the rope on the top. And for that, I'm just taking some rope and tying it. And this is really hard when you do it like that. So I'm gonna lay it in the table and just tie my rope like that. And that will be it. I tie it on the other side and we have it. Beautiful shelf. And as you heard, this is part of the Useful DIY Challenge. This month is Furniture Decor DIY. And this is hosted by Mom from MomDas Live Handmade. And also this month, it's hosted by Jivon from GingerChickRehab. You're gonna find in the description box down below the link for the playlist and also to both of their channels. Go and check them out, you'll love them. And this is how my beautiful shelf turned out. I just love it. Here I have it styled with all my fall decor. And this is how it's looking. Look at that. It's beautiful. It looks just like the Pinterest one. That one was for the bathroom, but I don't want it for my bathroom. I want it for my fall decor. And it's looking beautiful. I love it. Remember that in the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link for the playlist and also to Mom's and Jivon's channels. Go there, check them out, and also watch the playlist. You will love everything that everyone created. And if you like modern farmhouse, boho decor, and seasonal decor, and a couple of silly jokes, subscribe because that's what I do here. And if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.